Right guys, we're starting off straight here as we missed out on all the interviews. However, we're just going to go straight into the season. The first match day vlog, my prediction is 2-1 to Brighton. We've got to give them the benefit of the doubt. Maybe they can pull something off.
Good old Sussex by the sea. You may sound the moon, but we stand for Sussex by the sea. Come on, the Albion! Come on! Look at this.
Oh, interesting. Handball. I don't think it was actually. Come on, shoot. Oh, one opportunity. Oh, miss one. Oh, oh. Couldn't be thought out. Could have been a bit better. Nah. The ball. Oh. On purpose. The ball's back there to be fair. Are we going to see anything around from this? Shoot. Ah. One more chance. Oh! Okay, please. And ball! He's on. It was natural position though. Oh! Oh dear. Twice. Oh, that's clever. Oh! Oh! Ow! Oh! Time on the left, the ball, and we do that's to take him on a pass. Go on the timer. Good ball that. Yeah! 1-0. Yeah! Come on. Who is it though? Who scored it? Oh dear. What a save. Get it out. Whee! Could be 2-0 now. Maybe 2. Oh my! Oh! Oh! He's in the post! Miss Homer. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! How did you miss that? Mood. Oh! Can't believe he's missed. Go on. What ball? Ah. The mood set up though. He thought about it. Well, well, Calroo can get this one. Come here, you! A great chance that. Oh! Cross that one in. Cross that one in. You think you can whip in a decent ball from there. Oh! He missed a chance to shoot there. If he plays out wide, to be fair, would probably do the same. Corner. Oh dear. They're very good at corner, I'll say that. They make a lot of chances with corners, don't they? They come very close to them. Oh, that one in. Good ball. Yes! Right, Well, we've got a penalty confirmed. Joe Pedro's first penalty in the Premier League. Make it count, son. Come on. Come on. Oh, here we go. Penalty. So Luton Town penalty, but what I saw, it looked like it was in a natural position, but we'll see what happens. Boo. Boo. Sort of knew that was going to happen. Boo. Probably will. This, I think so. Oh, wow! Oh! 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 Have a dig. Oh! Yeah! Yes, a Dingra! Yes, a Dingra! You both. That's what I told you. Open! 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 Oh! That's another shot. Oh! He's in the post! Oh! What is going on here? We're dominating. Going for more, that's the good part. Even better, we've got 3 goals, it's incredible. And to nearly come out side. We don't usually do that, do we? Pedro and a Dingra would go. Oh! And Solly. Oi! Oh! There! It's all gone quiet! All gone quiet! All gone quiet over there! Oh yeah, no, we were. A Dingra. Oh, that will work. Corner? Yeah. Oh! No, that was good from the defender. If I manage to get this ball in the box, it could be a very dangerous one. Yeah, that's pretty dangerous. Oi! Oh, great opportunity. Why have I come so blurry? Yeah! 4-1! Oh, sensational.
Yeah, very well.
Top the ball.
Top now.
Well, people, we're top of the Premier League now. 3 goal difference, same as Man City, we scored 4. Okay, people, I appreciate you all watching this. I know it's a little bit different. I know you probably didn't see my face the entire vlog, but I'm here now. And the reason you didn't see that is because we did have some vlog. We actually had a few more interviews than usual actually booked in, but nobody turned up, unfortunately. I think it's just because we're running a little bit late on that. But people, this is like a little bit of how the 23-24 season is going to go. We don't see anyone. We might just start the video in the ground, ready for kickoff. It was a cracker though, wasn't it? We've got everything set up, everything's ready. I'm just about to get editing actually, but I thought I'd, you know, make the outro in front of this thing for once, because I'm usually over there. No, but I really did enjoy the game. I said 2-1 Brighton, it was a 4-1 Brighton, so I think I'm really happy with that. I would have definitely expected Simon Adingra to actually start that game, but never mind. I mean, he still, you know, played minutes. He scored a beautiful goal. Obviously, that was at the defence's cost for Luton. Now, you're also probably wondering, why isn't it the usual 15-20 minute long video? Well, it's just genuinely because it's the new format. It's how we're going to work things here. We're not always going to do that. I've actually selected some small little videos, cut some out and all that already, and put it into one big thing. So basically what that means is we don't have to go through and click all the errored ones and all that. So it should run pretty smoothly today, the video, people. Appreciate you all watching. See you all in the next one. Peace.